So now we have is known that as intern method is used to just create a reference to an unreferenced object. So this as subscribe was unreferenced. This object was unreferenced. So we did this. We used s2 equal to s1 dot intern method. So it gives a reference s2 to that unreferenced object. Okay. So now the second one, you have to know the other way to create a string. That is, we pass the character of array likes to over here new string equal to ch, new string ch. There's a string s3. Okay. So this is the second way to pass it. Okay. So let's see what happens when we do this way. Their object is created in heap area only. That means in SCP area the object is not created. So what we do, we use intern method, which will create the exact copy of object in SCP area. So here in this method, the one object is created. Like before in string s1 equal to new string subscribe, there were two objects are created, one in heap area and another in SCP area. But here only one object is created, that is in heap area. So we use intern method over here to create an exact copy of object in SCP area. So intern method is used for giving reference to an unreferenced object, and it is used to create an exact copy of object in SCP area. So here we would use a copy. So here we would use for copying the exact copy of an object. So let's see over here. So I will comment this. Okay. I have made over here. Then also I will write it again for better understanding. Cast ch equal to cast ch of array equal to likes. And we created a string. Let's give it some other name, s4. S3. Okay. So here only one object is created in heap area. So to create an exact copy, so for creating an exact copy of object in SCP area, we use intern method. Okay. So what we do here, let's check without intern method first, then we will understand it better. String s4 equal to likes. Okay. Now we would check this out. Whether s3 equal to s4. This won't be equal. Okay. Why? Because here s3, here only one object is created, that is in the heap area, and this string s4, that's a literal way. So it will create in SCP area. Okay. So what is happening over here? Actually, I will do it in the paint, and you will understand better. The like. So here, likes, it is created in. Sorry, it is not created over here. It's created over here in heap area only. So it's a likes be created over here, and reference would be passed, that is s3. So only one object is created and s3 is passed. So in SCP area, it's empty. So what we do, we use intern. We would use intern method, but let's see first over here, and we are passing the string literal s4. So this will create s4. This will create object in SCP area. So let's make that likes okay, like that, and s4, and this is s okay s4. For now, forget this one. Okay, forget this one. We're considering on likes now. So one reference is passed. One reference is created in SCP area, that's S4, and S3 in heap area. Okay. So here there's the references are pointing to different objects, so it won't be equal. Let's check this. S3 and S4, this should be false. Both are pointing to different objects. Okay, these are false. But when we create using intern method, so let's create using intern method. Okay, could do over here also directly dot intern dot intern, that would create an exact copy in SCP area, but it would be, now it would give true because the object is created in SCP area. So exact copy would be created in SCP area. So this a copy would be present over here, Okay. So but let me do it this way. I will do it another way that would be more efficient for you all. So I will do string s5 equal to, like we did over here for intern, s1 dot intern. So this was s1 and s1 dot intern. So we will do the same over here, s3 dot intern semicolon. So this would create an exact copy in SCP area. So this will compare S4 and S5 now. So this should be true. We are comparing S5. Oh, sorry, this S is small. So now let's run and see. Okay, this become true. So what happened over here? So we have created an exact copy of likes in SCP area. So before, just by doing these three, we created an exact copy of likes object in the SCP area. Okay, what I mean here, we have created this S5. Okay, here S5. This S4 is not present till now, as I have commented it. So this is S5 is created over here. So object exact copy is created in SCP area S, and this would be S5. So let me write this S5. Just for checking purpose, we created string S4 equal to likes. Okay, we have created this just for checking that it is pointing to the same object or not. So now by running it, we know that it is true. So that's how it is. Okay, that's how intern. So intern method. So intern method is used to give reference to an unreferenced object, and it is used to create exact copy of object in SCP area. Okay, that's it for now. It does this thing. Okay, that's it for now. If you like it, just subscribe it, and if you don't know about string, new keyword, and all that, please refer my previous videos. I will put that in descriptions also about string. This is very important topic. So please do it, and I will create more videos and give it in the description. Just check it out. Okay. Thank you so much.